welcome back to another new video, once again. As we are working to Costa Road here to show you the new road construction that's going on in the Gambia, the OIC road construction. So also we decide to show you a poultry because we love agriculture and we want a lot of our subscribers to invest into agriculture. As Ori said, he said that people want to build companies, they want to build factories and stuff, buy cars and do that, build big buildings, but agriculture is number one, it's the best to do and gain a lot of money, the most fastest business. So that's why we want our people. So they also sell feeders, so we will get in the shop like this, also sell drinkers and then with feeders here, and they also sell other things, but when we get in the shop we will know our. So these are the local feeders also, in case when you are maybe you're having poultry farm, you can also come here to have food from them, the cow, goat, and then this is the billy goat here, and here is the goat, you have the egg here, and you have the ram over here, and when we get in, we will know what they are having as well. Well, before we go, you can show them the feeders. These are the, I never see this kind of feeder, but it's really good, yeah? It's good, and then you can see this is a drinker having a standard here, right? So when we get in, so we can show them, hello, sister Nana around, you can come around and then show us and tell us what is this. You can intro yourself once again to the four corners of the world right now as you're standing here. The four corners of the world are viewing you, so you can intro yourself, and then in the ending of the video we will drop up our number in case of if you miss something here or you need a joint business or you want to support. And then say for more intro,
Okay, my name is Olifai.
Olifai.
Yeah, Olifai. I'm here with my husband.
In the shop here.
In the shop here, we do the same business. We do sell chicken feeds, animal feeds, sheep, and then goats. Even rabbit feed. We do sell rabbit feeds.
Rabbit feeds.
Yeah.
So this one is
this is mixed energy.
Mixed energy.
Sheep and goats, and then all the ruminant food we do sell them.
Okay.
This is chicken feed. This is grower. This is layer finisher. This is corn. This is corn, and then we do sell kilos, and this is starter. We sell everything here, finish, drinkers, feeders, everything we do sell them here.
So this
is layer grower.
This is layer
grower, yeah.
So
layers.
how much is a bag?
1,850.
1,800 is the first price.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is layer finisher. This is 1,850. And this is starter broiler. This is 1,000. This is $2,100.
The boy was telling me 1 week ago here was full of
stuff. Well, we do supply everything. We do everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
So before we have a lot of poultry farmers in the Gambia.
Yeah.
So can you name the farmers who used to buy?
They are many. I can't name them. Like some others like Minte's Poultry.
Yeah, Minte is
Michael Abdul Kama, Finance Poultry, Savage Poultry.
Wow.
Yeah.
So
And MS Poultry, A&A Poultry, A&S Poultry Farms. We do supply.
So where do you get this egg from? You sell eggs?
We sell eggs.
Wow.
We sell eggs. We sell eggs.
This is big.
Big eggs. I mean, good food.
So in case if you want to buy egg,
Quality food. Enema.
Yeah.
Quality food from Enema, Senegal.
So what is the difference of this other one and the one they used to make in the Gambia?
There is a big difference between the one they make in the Gambia and the other, and the one from Senegal.
Senegal.
Yeah, because so many people, so many companies in the Gambia do buy some premix and from Senegal. From Senegal. From Senegal, yeah. Okay. But this company, Enema, they are the best. They are well recommended.
Okay. And you grow within Senegal.
Within Senegal and Gambia, Mali.
Oh.
Yeah.
Which is so nice.
Yeah.
So in case if you need, we will drop up our number in the ending of the video, right? You can buy in case if you want to start poultry. Also, they can also give you advice, something like that. So you can call her, she give you advice, anything that you need. So how are they def like delivering? Come ni suko gende.
No, delivery ñu ko doon start first time lañ doon deliver waaye fi mu nekk nii.
Waaw doo leen deliver. Waaw yow yaa ñëw nga jël si ko nga yóbbu ko. Which is so nice. So why mën ngeen a call, you can call and talk to them live and direct. So we have a lot to do today and we have a lot to show you out there. So we are going ahead to turn around over here the new construction, our OIC construction. But we are here to show you the best outdoor race. What is the price of the drinkers over here?
The price of the drinkers, this one is this is 500.
It's 500.
Yeah, it's 10 liters. 500.
10 liters. So about this one, this is feeder.
Yeah. 650 for the first one and then 600.
650. Oh, sorry for that.
No problem.
Okay. But this one are the best one because those other one we have in our farm, when the chickens are small, when the birds are small, they use it for down here. But when you put food and you close it, when they jump, they will not be here. Thank you very much. Smaller one.
It's the same size.
So right now, simply the way, before we'll close off the video, I want to advise our Gambian sisters, the Gambian African sisters who sing and read to that Africa is hard, because day to day she gets up and then she make a joint business with your husband, and then day to day they are gaining something out of it. So what do you have to advise to our Gambian brother, Gambian sisters, African sisters who sit and read to that Africa is hard and they start depending into semesters and stuff like that? What kind of advice do you have for them? For them to get up and do something?
Anyway, I'm advising all the Gambians, especially the Gambian sisters, let them not talk depend on anybody.
Anybody?
Anybody. Let them not depend on anybody. Let them try for themselves and then welcome and then try to make poultry and then invest and then let them not sit down.
Everybody get up and do something.
And do something.
Like
so that we can develop our own country.
So what do you have to say right now? What do you have for people like that?
Yeah. What my mom was telling, the same thing I want to tell. Like, you know.
You see your mom, yeah?
Yes, my mom, yeah.
Yes, sir.
You know, like the Gambian girls, what we are going to do, agriculture is very, very, very important in life. Yeah. So poultry farm, you have to try and we make it. Because it's something that makes you feel like tomorrow. Yeah, it's not like it's something that's very easy, you know. Yeah, that's the difference. So that's what I want to tell you about. Yeah. So thank you for your kind questions.
Yes. Click this number, dial this number. They are the best. They are not far away from the Costa Road over here, and they are not far away from the Ayako Johnson. So opposite, where it is? Sonny's Bakery Restaurant right here. So simply the way, dial up that number. There is on the screen here right now, and simply the way, call them, talk to them live and direct, and they are the number one authorized. So stay tuned and focus. With Nice Gambia will always come with the best. Red, white, blue, white.
Our numbers are 7279 7892 7690 256 3063611, and then you can check with my.
It's 7954236. 7954236. Yeah, thank you for your comments.
Yes, still subscribe and like and share the video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Love you all.
Thank you.